So very good evening to you people. Today we're talking about one of the very important concept, that is Biot-Savart law. So let's say as here, the aim of this Biot-Savart law is that suppose a current carrying conductor of length L is the current carrying conductor of length L, and current is passing through this conductor is I, and a point is there somewhere else. Let us say this is the point where P is located. I want to find out how much magnetic field experience on this point from conductor carrying current of I. That is the main mode of Biot-Savart's law. So I want to find out the B value. I want to find out B value at P. That is my main motto. So I want to find out the B value at P. That is my motto. For that, I am doing something. So let us say guys, this is here from the point P to conductor, which is passing the current of I. Let us say R is the distance, and I am taking nothing but I am taking the dB, how much experience. Before I want to calculate entire B, first of all I want to calculate a small amount of particle, a small amount of portion. So let us say this is the amount of portion I am bringing here. So let us say this portion is dl. So dl is the portion. So the amount of magnetic field experience is that dB on the particle. So according to Biot-Savart's law, the Biot-Savart's law tells that dB is directly proportional to I in the current carrying conductor. So the angle made between this R and dl, this R and dl is theta. Keep in mind guys. So theta, this is very important. Many people not understood what is the theta value. So theta is angle between theta is angle between dl and r. So dl and r. So theta is the angle between dl and r. So actually dl is a bar and r also bar. Both are vectors only. Length actually is a scalar, but we have to take part of length is always a vector. So dB is directly proportional to I, which means the magnetic field is increases, current also increase. Otherwise, current is increases, magnetic field also increases. So according to Biot-Savart's law, dB is directly proportional to dl. So dB is directly proportional to dl. So when length is increased, the amount of magnetic field produced by that current carrying conductor is also increased. So dB is directly proportional to sin theta. It also depends upon the angle. So the magnetic field which is created by this current carrying conductor of I, which is always directly proportional to the angle between dl and r. So lastly dB, so dB is directly proportional to 1 by r square. 1 by r square. dB is directly proportional to 1 by r square. So the distance is also inversely related. Now what I am doing is that I have to combine these four equations. dB is directly proportional to ideal sin theta by r square. So ideal sin theta by r square. So dB is directly proportional to ideal sin theta by r square. So now I remove this proportionality. So dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi ideal sin theta by r square. So mu naught by 4 pi sin theta by r square. What is mu naught? Mu naught is nothing but permeability of free space. What is the meaning of permeability of free space? Suppose I will take a people. So this is the free space which is having medium. Let us say this is the free space. How many magnetic lines will be passed through this free space? So this is how many magnetic lines is passed through this free space. So how many magnetic lines will be passed through this vacuum? How many magnetic lines will pass through this medium? So that is called as mu naught. So generally mu naught value is that mu naught is equal to 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 Tesla hyphen meter by ampere. So very important. So mu naught is equal to 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 Tesla meter by ampere. So the dB value, what is dB said? The dB value is nothing but the part of length which is experienced a magnetic field on this point. I want total magnetic field will experienced by the conductor. So what I have to do? I have to take integration. So dV is equal to integral of mu naught by 4 pi ideal sin theta by r square. So dV cancel guys here. So what you get from this ideal? So ideal sin theta by r square. So now what you get? B is equal to integral of mu naught by 4 pi ideal sin theta by r square. Ideal sin theta by r square. So this is called total magnetic field experience a particle P on make an angle with the theta and current passing I. Suppose I want in the form of vector form. Biot-Savart in the form of vector form. Simply what I am doing is that integral of mu naught by 4 pi ideal r sin theta by r cube. So what I am doing here simply is that multiply divided with r. So I am doing simply multiply and divide with r. So both are cancelled. There is no disturbance in the actual formula. So now let's say guys here we know dot product and cross product. According to cross product, what is known as cross product? So let's say guys here a bar cross b bar is equal to ab sin theta. Same like this observe here people. So here dl is equal to a, r is equal to b. So what you have to get? So in the form of cross product you have to write down v is equal to integral of mu naught by 4 pi I dl bar r bar by r cube. So this is vector form of Biot-Savart's law. This is a vector form of Biot-Savart's law. So b is equal to integral of mu naught by 4 pi I into dl into r bar by r cube. This is the vector form of Biot-Savart's law. Now it make an angle theta. Now I have to take one application by using this Biot-Savart's law. Let's see guys here. Now the particle is perpendicular to the conductor. At a distance. Let's say an application of Biot-Savart's law. Application 1. If you let's see guys here. So this is a conductor having a current of I and one particle is there P the particle with the distance of A is perpendicular to the conductor. Now how much magnetic field experience on this particle I want to calculate. For that simple I am doing guys, I have to take L is the length of a conductor. Now I have to take a short length called as Y. Here I am taking a short length called as Y. So why I am taking a short length? So from here, so I draw a line here. So which makes an angle of theta. Let us say this is R, and the d theta value is here. So this is d theta, and this is d theta, and this part is dy guys. So this is smaller part is dy, this is small angle d theta. Now everybody knows this is 90, this become 90 plus theta. What is guys? This become what? 90 minus theta. Why? Because this is a plane angle. So this is theta, this is 90, this become 90 minus theta. This become 90 plus theta. Why? Because let's see guys here, this is a right angle triangle. So 90 plus 90, 180 minus theta plus theta cancel. So what you get? 180 you will get the plane angle. 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 180 plus theta minus theta will cancel. So what you get? 180 only you get. Now I want to find out the angle here. So the angle from here to here is that. So total angle is alpha, and here also total angle is what guys? Beta. So now I want to find out how much magnetic field experience on this particle. I want to find it. What is the formula, guys? What is the Biot-Savart law? Just you learn Biot-Savart law. What is Biot-Savart law formula? B is equal to integral of mu naught by 4 pi ideal sin theta by r square. But r I don't know. Here I know only a I know. The particle having a distance to the conductor with right angle, that a I know, but I don't know a value, and I also don't know dl value. Dl value I don't know, r value I don't know. So for that we want to calculate, guys. Let us say tan theta. So tan theta is equal to tan theta. So tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent. So what is, guys, opposite side by adjacent? So opposite y and adjacent a. Y is equal to a tan theta. So this is what? This is an unknown value. Now we have to calculate the known value. So for that, differentiate on both sides. So dy is equal to a secant square theta into d theta. I am differentiating. Y is equal to a tan theta. We have a problem, right, of the differentiation. So dy is equal to d into a tan theta. So dy is equal to dy. This is d, guys. Dy. So a is the constant. D tan theta. So d tan theta means what? Dy is equal to a into secant square theta into d theta. So now we get dy value. Okay, very good. Next, I don't know the r value also. I want to find out the r value. I don't know the r value now. So for that I am taking secant theta. So secant theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent. So what is the hypotenuse, guys? R is the hypotenuse. What is the adjacent? A. So r is equal to a secant theta. So r value I have to find out, and d value I know, y value I know. So easily we have to solve the problem now. So what is the limits here? So the limits is, it is downward. So this is the downward, minus b is the minus y axis, alpha is plus y axis. So integral of b is equal to integral of minus beta alpha. So lower limit is minus beta, upper limit is alpha. Now we have values of mu naught by 4 pi I. Okay, what is dl? Dl means dy. What is sin theta? So sin theta means what, guys? Sin theta. What, guys? Sin theta. Sin 90 minus or plus theta. Sin 90 plus theta by, what is the r value? Just now we have to predict. What is the r value? A secant theta whole square. R square na? A secant theta whole square. So b is equal to integral of minus beta alpha mu naught by 4 pi I. What is dy value? Just now we have to deduct dy value. How much, guys? A secant square theta d theta sin 90 plus theta. Sin 90 plus theta, what, guys? Sin 90 plus theta second quadrant. So sin is positive, but 90 plus 90 will be there. Sin become what? Cos. So it become what? Cos theta. Cos theta by a square secant square theta. Secant square theta get cancelled, guys, here. So now b is equal to what we get? B is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi the constant. I am taking outside integral of minus b alpha a and a is cancelled. So what I have to get? Cos theta d theta. I hope you understood, people. So here is one a is missing, one a is cancelled, and take outside this a also. So mu naught I by 4 pi a into cos theta d theta. So we know, guys, mu naught I by 4 pi a. Mu naught I by 4 pi a integral of cos theta d theta is sin theta. So sin theta. So running from minus beta to alpha. So what I have to get now? Mu naught I by 4 pi a. Upper limit minus lower limit. Sin alpha minus sin of minus beta. So what you get? Sin of minus beta, sin of minus theta, minus sin theta. According to that, mu naught I by 4 pi a 4 pi a sin alpha plus sin beta. So very important equation. Very important equation. Thank you guys.